Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is the Rambling Rambler here again, and I bought a new man toy. And as you can see here, it's a Ufanore or Ufanore selfie stick. So we'll put that to one side, and it's called a stick quad tripod. Well, as you can see, it's quite compact. Look, and it opens up like this. And that's where your camera goes here. And of course, as you can see, you put the camera onto here like thus. There's your camera on there. I'll move it up a little bit, there we are, and turn it off so I can't see the screen. So there it is. And of course, the big advantage is that it can go like that and back again for different angles. So there it is, and of course it folds right down. It's got a removable remote control, so you can actually put it on the tripod and use the remote. Now, the thing I had difficulty with, I could not find how to pull it apart and get this to come undone, and so I thought there must be others. So this is the Ufanore Selfie Stick Quad Tripod with remote control. So how do you get it? I pulled and pushed and tugged. Watch. Underneath here there are the 4 segments, and you get in there somehow, hold it, it's quite tight, and pull out one segment. There we are. Now the others will come out. You see the one segment's out, then the others come out quite easily, but you do have to pull quite hard on that. You then set it out. It's a lovely tripod. It's got good stand on the bottom, look, with supports there, soft pads on them, and there it is. Now you can pull the top one up here. I'm not going to do all of that because it will go up to 55 inches apparently, so it stands up really, really well. My only thing is that it was very hard to find out how to get these legs out, which is why I decided to do, let me just get this one down again. There we are. Take the phone off there. I've taken the phone off the top. You can see, I'll do this so you can see all of it. There it is. The top here will go at any angle you want. And it's got the 2 little pieces that flap down, and of course it stretches open. But I love the idea that you can turn it from around onto a portrait view or panoramic. So there we are. This just pulls out, and there you go. When you start to put that down, the legs go together, but you do have to pull quite hard on one of those to get them out. And I'll do that again, and you can see there they are. And now, of course, this one here will go down, 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 down. It only goes so far, and then you have to fold the legs for it to go in, and then finally you just click them together. Now you've got it as a handheld. Look, lovely. And you've got your button there to start and stop the video or camera, whatever, and it's all ready. And of course, the lovely thing is that it folds away just like that, and it goes in a pocket, almost goes in a pocket, but certainly it's a good size. So that is, the brand is Ufanore or Ufanore Selfie Stick Quad Tripod with remote control, and it goes up to 55 inches. But first, or rather last of all, may I say, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, because that does help the channel. Thank you so much if you do. You're going to make an old man quite happy. Thank you. Bye for now.